Yo guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this super clean K20 swapped Honda Civic EG running 260 bhp. The car's owned by one of my friends, Ian. His Instagram handle is K20_EG5. As you can see, the car is absolutely in mint condition. It's been fully repainted a number of years ago and it's still holding up very, very well. So the first thing that catches your eye is the yellow OG T37s, along with the first moulding front lip, and that looks like it's grey but it's actually a Fields carbon fibre bonnet. Down the side we've got an Osaka JDM carbon fibre devil wing, and on the back we've got carbon fibre JDM style tailgate, the full 3-inch exhaust, all hard race suspension parts, yellow speed coilovers. So we've also got a cheeky little sunroof. In the interior we've got an OMP steering wheel, an NRG snap-off boss kit. We've got an AEM oil pressure gauge, an AEM water temp gauge, a QT adjustable shifter. These are the best shifters on the market. Obviously you need a fire extinguisher. We've also got a pair of Corbu bucket seats with the Takata harnesses. We've also got a relocated battery, an ultra racing rear strut brace, along with the harnesses. Ian is a very good friend and a customer of ours. A lot of parts on his EG have actually come from various cars we've broken over the years, such as the yellow T37s, the Fields carbon fibre bonnet, the first moulding front lip, the Osaka JDM carbon fibre spoiler, the AEM gauges, and probably a few other small bits and pieces. So if you guys see anything you like on our videos, our social media accounts, our eBay store, let us know, hit us up and we can sort you out. And if you guys fancy getting your car featured on our channel, then hit us up and let's make it happen. So yeah guys, I'll put the full spec in the description down below, as well as Ian's Instagram handle. Go check him out, give him a follow. Just look at it, beautiful car, wow. So under the engine bay, as you can see, it's fully tucked and nicely painted engine bay, all very clean. It's a K20A2, making just shy of 260 bhp in a stock engine. All the usual breather mods, Skunk 2 ultra intake, Tegiwa throttle body. The gearbox is a built box with the JDM DC5 gear set, and the M factory diff and a final drive. You got your upgraded fuel pressure regulator system with all the braided lines, Hasport mounts, hybrid racing radiator, hoses. You got a relocated coolant reservoir filler, AEM fuel rail. Obviously got the yellow speeds on it. All the brake lines have been tucked at the back, as you can see. It's all very clean, very nicely put together. Ian has got some big plans for this car, but you'll see them in some future videos. So honestly, this thing looks the part, and it's very, very, very quick for what it is. It's a 2 litre and it makes very good numbers. So I think it's time we go for a little blast. Stop whatever you're doing and listen up. We are super excited to announce the launch of our new product line, TKY Composites, carbon fibre and carbon Kevlar accessories for all your golden era Hondas. The fit and finish is incredible. All the parts are made to the highest quality. Please go see our social media accounts for all of the product range. Peace out.
guys, stop whatever you're doing. Go hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment and all the usual. And don't forget to follow our socials. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And if you want to buy some parts, we're on eBay, TKY Performance. We've got loads and loads of Honda parts for sale. And if you see anything you like from this car, drop us a message and it might still be available.